Alright everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb on a Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2008. The bulb is an H13. That's the high and low beam all in one. So basically what you want to do is remove the grill. And to do that you have 6 clips, which I've already removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They look like this right here. So basically this top section sits flush right here. You want to take a screwdriver and pry that out to where it looks like that. So you'll pry that out and pull all 6 of these out of these holes on top of the grill, and from there the top half will fold back, and on the bottom you have these little metal retaining clips right here. Just gently pull at each section on the bottom half like I did. I just gave it a little jerk and all those came right loose, and then you can access the headlight. And on the headlight you have a retaining ring which is held in by 4 T15 Torx head screws, I believe, and you can access the bulb right there and change it. It's fairly simple. It's definitely not the easiest, but that's how you remove the grill and change a headlight bulb on a Jeep Wrangler.